Hello friends, today I will make a presentation to you on the use of deep learning algorithms in the field of radiology. Focusing on the research question, we will examine the how and to what extent deep learning can improve the accuracy of medical diagnosis, especially in diagnosis of lung cancer and the ethical and legal consequences of these practices for healthcare. Now, moving on the first part of our presentation, let's take a look at the concepts and histories of artificial intelligence and deep learning. First, it is important to understand the concepts of artificial intelligence and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is a field that aims for computer systems to have human-like intelligence. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a sub-branch of artificial intelligence and performs the learning process using artificial neural networks that mimic the neural network structure of human brain. After understanding these basic concepts, we will consider the current situation and challenges in the field of radiology and lung cancer diagnosis. Lung cancer is an important health problem worldwide, and early diagnosis is of great importance. However, there may be difficulties and errors in the diagnosis process. This is where the innovations that deep learning algorithms bring to radiology came into play. Let's take a more detailed look at the use of deep learning algorithms in the field of radiology. First, we'll take a look at how deep learning algorithms are used in radiology in general. Next, we will study deep learning techniques and approaches for lung cancer diagnosis. We will review the studies conducted and the results obtained in order to increase the success of the use of deep learning algorithms in radiology. Now let's focus on the potential of deep learning to increase their certainty of medical diagnosis. First, we will examine the initial findings on the effects of deep learning algorithms on accuracy. Next, we will review the results on the analysis between the lung cancer diagnosis and deep learning. In addition, we will evaluate what opportunities deep learning can offer in the medical diagnosis, focusing on current limits and future perspectives. Let's examine the ethical and legal consequences of applying deep learning algorithms to healthcare. First of all, we will focus on the issues of the confidential and security patients' data. We will discuss the data security risks that arise with the use of deep learning algorithms and the measures that should be taken in this regard. In addition, we will consider the issue of liability to algorithms together with the management of misdiagnosis and regulations. Finally, we will decipher the relationship between the informed consent and artificial intelligence and address important issue in terms of patient rights and ethics. So, the last thing that we will talk about is in the collision section. We will present the current situation related to the combination of radiology and deep learning and a perspective for the future. By sharing research and policy proposals in this area, we aim to guide the further studies. We will evaluate how the innovations brought by deep learning algorithms to radiology can be used in the healthcare sector and their effects. As a result, the use of deep learning algorithms in radiology has the potential to increase the accuracy of medical diagnosis, especially in diagnosis of lung cancer. However, it is also important to consider the ethical and the legal consequences of this use. With the application of deep learning to healthcare, we must take into account issues such as privacy, security, responsibility, and patient rights. Future research and policy adjustments will help us to maximize the benefits of the combination of radiology and deep learning. Thank you for listening to me. I wish you the best and I wish you have a nice day. See ya.